Hi, my name is Vraj Patel and I'm going to show you my lab 2 and 3, which is about how I made my multiple probit tables with using one raw data. So first of all, I got my data from Canadian Statistics website, which is for data of funding provided in 2016-17 and 17-18 by Canadian Cultural Space Fund and Canadian Heritage. So I got this data first and downloaded into Excel file, and this is my raw data. You can see, and I cleaned it with I'm making a table. So I'll show you my Excel sheet, and this is my clean data, and it has all the information about how they about how much grant they got and contribution they got by different organizations. So these are all the organizations you can see here, which shows that this organization got this much amount of grant in this year, and this detail is all about the organization. So we'll first focus on the organization. So let's say Ontario Craftsman Council. It's in Ontario and it's in Toronto. So this is the amount of grant they have got, like $75,000. Just beside that, you can see art and gallery, which is discipline like a category. So this is all data I have got from there. This is the first table which I made. This table is all about the Canadian Culture, Space and Heritage Fund by province. So this data is comparing all of the grants depending by all the province. So Alberta have got the 10.31% of grant. So among this among these organizations, so let's say here are all the province. So I made this first table by that, so all province. So here is the Ontario, which is top 35%. So because there are so many organizations in Ontario and they have got so many grant. So this is all, and Alberta has 10.31%, British Columbia 10.95%. So here is all the comparison by province. Second table which I made, which is the comparison of 2 years, year 2016-17 and 17-18. So the first year got the highest amount. So this is comparing between 2 years. That first year they have got 66% of grant, and in so from among total grant they have got 66% in this both year and 33% of grant in this both year. The third table just shows top 10 disciplines, so top 10 categories with the highest amount of funds. So here the museum is top one, which is on a first place. On a second place, art and gallery. So as among from all these categories, these disciplines, these are the top 10 these are the top 10 categories which have got the highest amount of grant in their uh, contribution. And this is the last and fourth data which I made. This is all the organizations first of all, and these are top 10 organizations with the highest amount of grant they have got. So this organization named Winnipeg Gallery, they have art gallery, they have got the highest amount of grant among all from both of these years. This shows sum of both years, and if they have got in both years. So this is the highest amount of grant they got. Top 10 list of top 10 organizations. This is, I'm going to show you a dashboard which shows all four tables. The first pivot table shows the Canadian Culture, Space and Heritage Fund by province in 2016 to 18, which is comparing between those province. The second one shows the top 10 organizations with the highest amount of grant, which shows only top 10 organizations with they are not comparing with each other, but they are top 10 among all of the organizations. And Winnipeg Art Gallery have got the highest amount of grant, which is around or more than this amount. And the third one which shows the difference between 2 years, between 2016-17 and 17-18. That 2016-17 got 66% of grant among this both year, and 33% of 14 was for 2017-18. And the last but not the least, the fourth one shows top 10 disciplines with the highest amount of funds. So this one shows the different categories who have got the fund, and this is the museum which have got the highest amount of fund. So and theater, and second one was art gallery and visualization, and third one was the theater. So this is all the tables here, and I made a dashboard for that. Thank you.